I got my Criminal Claws nail package today, so I'm ready to open, and it is April's mystery box. It is called the stash box, so I am for it. I've been waiting for this since she said she was going to put it out, and when she released it, it sold out in hours. And I got the last one, and then she restocked. So let's see what comes in here. You always will receive your list, what you ordered. Okay. Ooh, glitters. Okay. Let's open this up. Oh, sorry. So, right here. Ooh, stash box. Look how pretty that is. Blue. That is pretty, isn't it? Okay, let's see what's in the little bag. In the bag of goodies. Ooh. Okay, that'll wait later. Okay, let's see what's in the bag. Ooh, look, it's a heart. Did she sew it to herself? I don't know, but that is cute, isn't it? Okay. So, look at these. Multicolored. So this can go on any set because you got any color you want here. Those are pretty, right? Okay, let's see what else is in this little Criminal Retro Kawaii Claws. Okay, this is what I wanted. And I prepared myself. So I took off my nails today knowing that this package was coming in today. So I will show you what's in the box, and then I will go with part 2 on doing my nails with the stash box. Look at, you get 2 of those little guys. I do believe that is Mickey Mouse. He is cute. Oh, you get 2 Mickey Mouse. Iridescent little Mickey Mouses. I love that. And then you get a little Pac-Man and this little guy that he chomps. My husband loves Pac-Man. He's so good at it. He'll play the game till he beats the score, the last person's score, and then once he beats it, he's done with the game. He just has to beat the last person's score. Okay, those are so cute though. I was so excited because look, I named him Buddy already. Because as soon as I saw him, I was like, oh, he's going to be my friend. I'm going to name him Buddy. Yeah, his name's Buddy. He's a little cutie. Okay, so that is with that as well. And then Vein Vinyls. Ooh, girl, what else are you doing? Vein Vinyls. Can you see that's really cute. Peace Out. Flower Power, that's cute. What does this one say? Rollin', Blow, Loud, Trippy. Those are cute. Of course, they got the little stickers right here. Love those. Okay. So that's that. And what do we got here? Bonding time. I love her names on her things. Bonding time. OMG. You see the green crystal flakes in there? Okay, yep. We're swatching that. Bonding time. That is bad. Bonding time. Okay. High and mighty. OMG. Let's see. There's a bunch of different iridescent colors in there, but you can pretty much see it. Another beautiful color. It's a beautiful color. High and mighty. I love the names. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. Pineapple Express. Ooh, we know that's a good strand. If you haven't had that before, go out and try you some. If it's legal in your state anyway. I ain't trying to get nobody in trouble. Look at that. Oh, we need to swatch. But I'm in the house and I can't swatch in the house because it will smell. So yeah, I'm going to swatch these before I put these on my nails because I don't know which ones I'm going to put on there. God, she just fits everything in this little bag. Okay. Unbeweedable. OMG. I love her. Unbeweedable. Oh, that's more pretty colors. Look at, it's like you get purple, you get green. Very pretty. It's beautiful. Okay, let's see what's in here. OMGs. Look at this shit. Come on, girl. Okay, there's some stuck to the top. We're gonna get those in there because we are not losing anything. Look at these. Let's see if the camera's gonna focus. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me take one out. There's that one. Let me go grab another one. Oh, these are too freaking cute. Okay, and then there's that one. Oh my goodness. Wait, there's one more. There's one more. There's this one. Oh my God. Oh, is it focusing on them? I'm trying. I'm trying. Let's see. Let's see what else is in here. And then like little jewels. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna love this set. This set is gonna, well, if you guys remember last year's set, I actually put real 420 in my nails, so this one is gonna be so much fun. Ooh, this is some shimmer powder. What does it look like? Maybe a purple? I'm not sure, but we're gonna try everything like we always do. This might be a sugar. Let's open it to see what it is. It could be a sugar, it could be a shimmer. Ooh, I think it might be a sugar. Let's see, I don't know. Let's see, it's pink, but it's showing up white. If you can see through here, it's pink, but if I tilt it, it looks white. Yeah, that is cute. Okay, last. Some iridescent flakes. I love these little containers. They're so cute. They're so cute. Okay, that's everything in my stash box. This is April's 420 mystery bag, filled with and jam-packed with all these goodies. We are definitely going to swatch all these and see what kind of set we can do with everything in the kit. Bonding time, unreadable. They're so pretty, I don't know which ones to do. High and Mighty. I think I was gonna go with that first one. No, the first one was Bonding Time. I think this might have been my favorite one. Oh yeah, look at that. That one is my favorite. Okay, so that is my kit. And I am gonna get my nails done. So this is the before. We soaked everything off. I will clean them up, buff them, prep them up and everything before I get my nails done. I'm gonna pick which tips I'm going to use. I actually think I might go with stilettos this time because I've done a lot of the coffin and the square nails. So I think I will definitely go with that this time. And I do have a new friend. Oh, she's already sticking to everything. When I tell you, this thing feels weird. So I was trying to figure out how I'm gonna put the tips in. So basically, I got a regular tip. That would go here. Might be a little bit bigger. And I just flipped it around. And then I'll probably just cut this off here and then add another tip to it or something. But this is my new friend. And it came with two, so I got a right hand and a left hand, so yeah. And we just gotta come up with some names, but you know, that'll take time. I have two in mind, but still working, thinking about them. But that's my nail mail for today. So yeah, it was. I'm like, man, I'm like, I have things flowing in my head, but I have two hands. Actually, now I have two extra hands, so maybe we can do a lot of different things. I'm excited to use them. I know I'm gonna try. It was, nope. Oh, I like this one too. Okay, we're definitely going with Bonding Time. And I think it was Unbelievable. Yeah, it's this one. I'm going in with this one. And definitely Bonding Time. So those are, but I will swatch them all. But I know those are my favorite right now. So, man, I do like this one too. I don't know. I'm confused. What do I do? I'm excited to try something. Look at those colors. Okay. So I'm excited with all this, but I'm also excited about my little buddy here. Yes, my little buddy. Where'd he go? He's hiding back there behind the sticker, but yeah, he's my little buddy. And then we got the charms. Definitely using the charms. Definitely using these charms. Look at that. Man. Okay. I think all April month, the month of April, I can probably do a good set every week. Well, I'm sure I could do it more sets, but I don't want to put nails on to soak them off. But at least I can do like what, 4 sets? I can do a set a week, right? Okay, I'm getting. Okay, I gotta go before I drive myself nuts. Okay, I love this. To anyone who's thinking about getting the 420 stash box from Criminal Claws, just go to her website and get the stash box. Man, I can stash some in there. You know what? I could also put my brushes. We can also put our criminal claws nail brushes, but I think this is exactly what I'm using it for. But yeah, so that's my stuff. That's everything we got. We got Bong Ding Time and Unbeweedable, Pineapple Express, High and Mighty, and then your Shimmer and Sugar. And this little thing, that was cute. And the stickers, we got 2 stickers. The flakes, why I forget, the Mylar flakes. This here, little guys, and all these. So that's everything you get in the box. And it comes in a stash bag too. Perfect. Thanks for watching.